Hey guys, Lou J-Bro out in beautiful Lake Havasu. We're going to go check out a nice little 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home. It should be in a pretty nice little area up on Angler Drive. We're going to go check it out for our client. Hang out with us, check it out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out at 2450 Angler Drive. Nice little house out on the north end of town. 3-bedroom, 3-bath, has a pool, built in 1995. Got some side parking. It's a little windy, so I apologize if there's some wind noise. Let's go in and check it out. So I just walked off this side opening here. It's about 12 feet, so that should fit most RVs. RVs are typically about 9 feet wide. So it's a nice little north side neighborhood. It's got a killer lake view from the front. I'll show you in a minute. Nice houses all around. It's right down the street from Avalon Park. We have killer lake views off the front deck here. Real nice panoramic lake views. Let's go inside and check it out. So it's got a tile roof and rolled eaves, which is nice. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 1995, 1,861 square feet. Looks like it had some upgrades when it was built, because these aren't the original cabinets and probably not the original counters. Nice piece of granite, sunken copper sink, or bronze, or whatever it is. Pretty cool. Stainless appliances. So they have quite a bit of stuff in here, a little bit cluttered, but it's still pretty nice. So it has the vaulted ceilings, and this is a split bedroom layout, so you have 2 bedrooms on one side and the master on the other. Nice little eat-at kitchen bar. Let's go check out the master bedroom. So we have the master bedroom, which has a cool little Arizona room built right onto it. Vaulted ceilings. Nice walk-in closet, pretty big. So you got a dual sink vanity, skylights, shower. Cool little space. Kind of turn this part of the porch into an enclosed Arizona room. Put some can lights in it. It's all open to the master with a door out to the pool. Looks like they put a mini split AC in here, and it is 2x6 construction, so it's pretty insulated. So double doors out to the pool. Looks like there's a spot for another ceiling fan in here too. All right, so this is bedroom number 2, which would be at the front of the house. Has a killer lake view out of the bedroom window. Nice ceiling fans. Little walk-in closet. A little junior master suite. Has a bathroom, which is pretty cool. Little skylight. Pretty nice, all tile. So this is the hallway bathroom. Solid surface counters, full bath. It's a decent size. your standard sliding closet door. It also has a slider out to the backyard pool area. So this is the laundry room off the kitchen, the front of the house. All upgraded cabinets as well in here. Real nice. Must have done everything at once. Granite counters. It's a big, nice open space. The slider out to the front porch. Little pantry in the laundry room as well. This is also your access to down to the garages. Let's go check those out real quick. All right, so we have a 3-car garage down here, and it's listed at 30 feet deep by 30 feet wide. Those look like 8-foot doors. So 7 foot is your standard garage door height. All right, guys, let's go check out the front patio. It's going to get a little windy, so I apologize in advance. It's a real nice setup. That lake view is awesome. It doesn't really show as well as it does in person. Let me see if I can zoom in to what it really looks like. That's about what it looks like in person when you're up here looking at it. Guys, we're going to go check out the backyard and the pool area. If you don't hear from me, it's because I muted the video because it's too windy. Nice, big, long patio, covered patio. It's pretty wide too, wider than normal. And this property does back to a wash, so that gives you some extra space people like. The pool looks really clean, has pop-ups. It's a pretty big pool for Havasu. Also has a hot tub. All the cool deck looks like it's in really good condition. Looks like it probably was recently redone. I don't see any popping or cracks in the plaster. So that side parking goes all the way down the side. They have the gate lock, so I'm going to have to go around and reshoot it in a minute here. So there is nothing behind you. Really nice. Killer lake views from the backyard too. This is on natural gas, which is a huge bonus out here because our natural gas is super cheap. So again, this space is about 12 feet wide and opens up a little more once you get up top. It goes all the way back to the back of the property where the pool equipment is. So you can get boat, RV, whatever you want back here. So the pool equipment looks to be in decent condition. Has a automation system. Also has a heater. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that quick little walkthrough of the house over here. If you have any questions, I'll put a link to all my contact information right below this video. There'll also be a direct link to the property detail page. You can get all the original pictures and get all the listing detail there as well. So anyways, hope you enjoyed it. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.